Alright guys, up next is TV number 20. It's a Harrier TV. Oh yeah, same as the flat screen I dug out of the garbage ski. Holy shit, let me flip it around here. Get the light on the situation like usual, I keep forgetting. Gotta do it every time I turn the camera on. Harrier TV's gonna go down, folks. TV number 20. Shouts out to everybody out there watching. Oh yeah. Right up so it shoots the glass at you guys. Pop some glass out at you. They might even have the same. Oh, a couple more screws I gotta bust on right here. And down here. And that should be about the end of it, folks. Yep, TV number 20 down. Harrier. Got a flat screen of that out of the garbage one time. Got a few pieces of tin. TV yoke's gonna have the copper. Unclean wire I gotta get. A little bit of metal out of a TV. Oh yeah, TV 20 down. Comment, like, subscribe. I gotta get on to TV 21.